This smartphone microscope features an optical system composed of 4 groups of 4 optical glass lenses and ACPL filters, supporting 100x zoom, shows a clear 18.5 to 20 millimeters view, and focus ease as close as 4.7 to 5.9 millimeters. Charged by Type-C with the built-in 100 mAh battery. It lasts up to 5.5 hours with 18 built-in multi-mode LED light sources supporting 12 lighting patterns with adjustable brightness. No app needs just clip on and use. Compatible with most smartphones. Perfect for industrial inspection jewelry, fabrics, and for science learning.